Merong isang kaso na yung isang party nagkaroon siya ng HIV or sexually transmitted disease, no? Sexually transmissible, serious, and incurable. And sinabi niya ito sa kanyang boyfriend. And after revealing yung kanyang HIV or STD, ay pinakasalan pa rin siya ng kanyang boyfriend. And after 2 years ng kasal, ayaw na ng kanyang boyfriend kasi sabi niya, baka naman hindi tayo magkanak dahil nung araw ay nagkaroon ka ng STD. And nag-file siya ng petition to annul the marriage on the ground nga na yung babae was afflicted with HIV or STD. At of course, dito sa kasong ito, alam mo naman na meron siyang STD before you married her. So there was no fraud existing on the part of the woman nung nagpakasal kayo. And because of that, actually na-deny yung kanyang petition for annulment because he is now estooped, no, from denying na alam niya na nagkaroon ng STD yung kanyang asawa. So the STD or HIV should be revealed before the marriage and existing and incurable after the marriage para maalaw yung pag-annul ng marriage sa kasong ito.